chest, fingers flying, making patterns twist. Susie's voice breaking through the haze, crochet forever in a woolly maze.
Hello, how are you? It's Susie with Susie's Crochet Chat, place where we talk about yarn hooks, tips, tricks, everything in between. How are you today? How was your Valentine's Day, if you celebrated? And if it was a hard time for you because of different circumstances, I'm so sorry. But it's just a day, you know? It's a made-up holiday, in a sense. It's over. It's done. Today, I'm going to say it's our Galentine Day. For all of us girls crocheting. And I don't think I have any guy followers, but if I do, it can be a galentine, a guy-entine, whichever it is. So grab yourself a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or something cold to drink, whatever your preference is. I'm having my first cup of coffee of the morning, and I found where I live, I have to say this first. I can't find certain flavors for, I use Coffee Mate zero sugar creamer. I have a hard time, oh, I almost spilt it. I have a hard time sometimes finding hazelnut, and I really like the hazelnut. Most of the times you can get the French vanilla. It's okay, but it's not my favorite. And I'm trying to think of other flavors, but they have some that are just not my thing. In the fall, it's really, really hard to get the pumpkin spice one. But my favorite is hazelnut. But I was at the store the other day, and I saw they had the sugar-free or the zero sugar, however they say, Twix. And I'm like, ooh. And then after I bought it, I thought, why did I even do this? Because I don't like chocolate. You know, I'm not a mocha kind of person. But I thought maybe it would have more of the caramel taste. And it sort of does. But it's kind of like those one and done. I don't even know if I'm going to finish the whole bottle. Because it'll take a while. And I don't think I want that flavor every day. So I might have to say, yeah, I'm done with it. That's my little coffee story. As far as tea goes, I like the red, and I might be saying this wrong, the Rubios or Robios? I don't even know, but that's what I like. They're my favorite. It has like a little honey taste to it. It's so good. But anyway, that's that. Now, in the comments, tell me what, are you a coffee? Are you a tea? Are you something else? And what do you like in them? Let me know. Now that Valentine's Day is over, I am a holiday decorator. So now it's time to take down all the Valentine stuff and put up my absolute favorite time of year with my decorations, because they are just, I think, so pretty. Bright, springy, and everything else. And that's St. Patrick's Day. I have like a gingham tablecloth, and it's my absolute favorite. So I'll be putting that up. The snow is starting to melt. Oh, I'm so glad. We've had some warmer days, so the snow's melting. We do have these huge piles that are like, I don't know, they're higher than even 12 feet, I would say. Yeah, where the plow came in and had to move, push all the snow to one side. So that's going to take a while. So it's going to be very slushy. Blech. Yesterday was beautiful. The sun was shining today. It is so dreary. But, it's still winter time, so who knows. But with the changing of my decor and thinking of spring things, start thinking of some spring projects you might want to do. I was thinking of making some flowers. Now, Krista over at The Secret Yarnery, 2 things I'm going to tell you what she has done. She made 2 years ago these really cute leprechaun hats, and I made one, and I took it out. I have it upstairs, and you could wear it but I kind of use it as a decoration, and that they're really cute. So you should check her out and find it and make one. It's real simple. It's really cute. Also, she has lots and lots of tutorials for flowers. And I was thinking, yeah, maybe I'll make some spring flowers. You all know, or most of you do, know that when my daughter got married 2 years ago, I made all the flowers for her wedding. And I used Krista's pattern. And then I took them all to a florist, my local florist, and he arranged them and made beautiful bouquets. So I was thinking, though, maybe making some flowers. And, yeah. But I'm still going to work on projects that I've been working on. But I don't think you want to hear about those anymore right now. I think I've talked about them enough. And I'm trying to think of some new things. So flowers I like to make. I'll have to look through. I've been looking through old patterns, and I think, well, now I don't know where I put it. Oh, it's way over there. Forget it. I was looking through, yeah, some really old stuff, and I found this one sweater that I made. Found the pattern. I made this thing 2019, I think it was. And boy, from then till now, I've learned so much, because I didn't, at that time, before that, I was working. So while I was working and trying to crochet, I did not try to go out of my comfort zone, so to speak. So I only knew this much, and I wasn't even decreasing and increasing. I didn't even understand. It was taking me just like, it was like a fog. I had no clue what we were doing. It took forever. But I think since I stopped working at that time, I learned so much because I had the time. And so I think that I'm going to redo that sweater, because I think I can execute it much better this time. So we shall see. It was really cute, and it shouldn't be so difficult. So it was just placing the arms and that stuff that was really getting to me, but I think I can do it. So, I guess that's about all I have. I don't like to make these things that long because I'm sure you lose interest. But I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're enjoying your beverage of choice. I'm liking to just hold on to the cup because it feels so nice and warm. But anyway, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Please hit the like button. That really helps. And that's all I have today. So have a great crocheting day, and I will talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye.
Midnight oil burning stitches remain, whispering threads holding back the strain. Susie's voice guiding, I'll never quit. Patterns rough, but it's got heart.